Alrighty. Added my... Wait, no I didn't. Yes, I did. Okay, hang on. Okay. Add once. Oh, that reminds me. I had to stop halfway through because of family issues. The frick was Deogen? Spirit box, ghost writing. It didn't give me ghost. Okay. Alright, everyone, prevent the ghost running with the crucifix, candle, and motions. It's better not be another Diogen. Dogen. Dagon? Deegan. Diogen. Deacon. Wait, no, that gives me xenomorph nightmares. Oh, God. Ooh, darkness. I forgot to look to see where the breaker is. I guess we're gonna have to find out. That was in here. You're in here. Thank you. I mean, I wasn't really looking for you at the time, but thank you. Alright. Breaker. Breaker. Perfect. You're just gonna fuck off right downstairs, aren't you? Let's see. That could also mean you're down here. Why is it always the Ouija board with this one? Alright, let me get a crucifix. Into the kitchen dining area. Actually, I'm gonna get two down into the area. Because I'm all by my... Oh, wait, I should not do that. That'll make people deaf if I ever do upload these. Okay. Give me these. Both of them. I'm gonna go be a coward. Really? No. I'm worried you're actually downstairs just messing with me upstairs. Well, that's not gonna help. Bring in some cameras. You're clearly in that hall, though. Alright, 1, 2, 3. 2 in the kitchen, 1 in the basement. Oh, I should bring other stuff since I can only do one camera at a time. Genius, which I am not one of those. Alright, while I'm doing this. Why is Cosmo Canyon going through my head? Alright, I'm gonna put this downstairs. I don't think it's down here, but never know. threw stuff over here, so I'm gonna put this on the table. Would you be so kind as to write in the book for me? And I'll be back with more stuff. Okay, camera for the other side. No orbs. So this is an orbless day. Yeah. Yeah, you upstairs throwing stuff. Yep. Still EMF 3. Okay. So you don't really care. So can you just, like, write in one of these books for me, please? You didn't cut the power off. Okay. Bring the other one in. Ask the same question again, because I've only done one. Yeah, I'll bring that in, and that, actually. Let's check the other one. No orbs over there. Actually. Yeah, I'll bring this in. I might get lucky. You opened my door immediately. Thank you. Make sure it's not on this side. Where are you? That was not what I wanted. No! Bad ghost! Give me that. How old are you? When did you die? And I'm sorry you're hurting. Alright, I'm gonna leave this here if you want to talk. Oh. Nope! I got that! don't like it anymore. I don't like it anymore. Nope, 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 nope. That's the first time I had a ghost heavy breathe on me. Could be spirit box or ghost orbs. Not gonna be fingerprints. Not gonna be EMF. Why is that a thing? It's throwing shit. I don't want to go back in there. Ghost, can you not heavy breathe on me, please? That's just weird. Can you please not do that again? That was weird. Oh. Oh, that reminds me. How old are you? See. Keep messing with the store and you won't give me fingerprints. Where are you? Oh, thank you. And I'm out. It's Diogen again. Why is it always the Diogen? Okay, okay, okay. I already did the candle. Cool. I apparently need motion sensor, though, not the candle. So I'll do that and go looking for the item. Not picking that up or using it. Not what I needed, but thank you. Okay, so I was right about the ghosts. Oh, I forgot to wait for the motion sensor. Crud. And the crucifix is probably not going to happen because I am too much of a coward to wait that long. If I do end up uploading this, it is on intermediate. I don't go higher by myself because I know I will die. And while it would be funny, that is not the purpose of me playing this. Alright. Let me do the small camp woodwind. Actually, while this loads, I'll be right back. I need to find where my drink is. Response to everybody. Blow out the candle. Motion sensor, repel the ghost with a smudge stick. Okay, and there's no solid building. It's probably going to be around the campground. Little cafeteria serving area, which is also where the Jenny is. Yeah, no floors. That's what I thought. Alright, it's on intermediate, so I have no power to start with. And this is entirely outside, except for the bathroom. So here is hoping the weather holds. Okay. Alright, I heard something fall. That was a propane. You're over here. EMF 3. You threw the pot on the floor. Why throw the pot on the floor? Hey, 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 hey. There ain't no need for that. That is an orb right there. Alright. Did you have to scare the crap out of me? Jesus. Okay, give me that. You already starting in on me. I'd put the fire out, but... do that first, and then do that, then run. Because I know what putting the fire out can cause. I don't need that again. This better not be another... whatchamacallit. Dio again. Alright. Yeah, that's not gonna work. And give me the book. I know I saw an orb, but I can't confirm it. If it's disappeared, it's probably a mimic. Yeah, there's the orb. Yeah, I know you're over here. Can you write in the book for me, please? This book right here, by the pan. There's the orb right there. Let's see. That is extremely rude, okay? Oh, God, I got goosebumps. My hairs are standing on end. Oh, that was... okay, yeah, no. It was definitely expressing hatred for me. Give me that. No, actually. Ghost writing. Okay, I'll just drop this here. But that orb is hovering still, so ghost riding gets rid of mimic. Just set off the phone alarm. It's not gonna be MF5, not gonna be fingerprints, a freezing temps, dots, or spirit box. I just threw the book, so now it's really angry. Okay. Actually. Give me this. Where are you? How old are you? Thank you. He's young. If it is a he. Alright, let's do the bone. Where's the other motion? Give me that. Come here. Never mind. We're done with that one. I'm not gonna try have it chase me. I am not that psychotic. We'll try to have it blow out the candle though. Will you be a kind gentleman and or gentle lady and yuck, I'm sorry. Could you put the candle out for me though? It says Jack Holmes. Oh, didn't wait around. Okay, what do we got? It's a mare. I think it said young, but it sounded like yuck to me. Okay.
Welcome back. I've got some jobs ready for you.
Okay, I think that's it for me.